Hi everyone! Do you remember what we learned at our previous class? Okay, good job! Today we will continue with number 4, 5, and 6. Here is number 4. 4 balls, 4 number. Okay, this is how you to write down the number 4. Let's see. Next, this is number 5. 5 ticks, 5 number. Okay, how do we write the number 5? Okay, let's start. Straight neck, big round tummy, head on. Okay, good job everyone. The last one is number 6. 6 fishes, 6 number. This is how you to write down the number 6. Done? Okay, don't forget to do your homework at home, okay? Thank you. See you next class.